This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Terry Spiesman. Stunning open floor plan in this 4-bedroom 2.5-bath ranch home in the ever-popular city of Kingston. Rocking chair front porch. Large bedrooms including 2 which could serve as master bedrooms, 1 with a full bath and 1 with half bath. Open formal dining room or large eat-in kitchen, you'll have your choice of dining location. If not seated at the kitchen table, grab a snack at the breakfast bar. Large great room/living room has sliders out to the deck and spacious backyard. Even the remaining 2 bedrooms are good size. Laundry room right off the kitchen with entry into the oversize garage. 4 zones of heat. Hardwood flooring in living room, dining room, foyer, hallway and one of the bedrooms. Beautifully landscaped with 139 feet of road frontage along the stone wall in front. And just blocks to uptown Kingston Stockade district with the many restaurants and attractions including the Senate House. Easy access to Trailways and the NY State Thruway if you are commuting to NYC. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Spiesman at 845-336-2633.